This highway is good, but it's a single lane highway. I don't think today much traffic would be there because today is Sunday. People will be back, not to the places, but we'll be going to the places because our ride is for 10 days. Man, I'm the only one going in this route, I think. I couldn't see even any other vehicles coming here. So chalo guys, welcome to my channel. This is your rider Arunkant Duvori, and this is day 4 of our ride to Western Ghats and day 3 of our Kodaikanal. Like today we are going from Kodaikanal to Idukki. The time is 12:15. It's a bit late as usual. We had a small exploration and around the lake and breakfast as well. So which caused a bit late, but it's fine. Idukki is around 3 hours. It's showing around 3 hours 50 minutes from here in Google Maps, which is around 160 kilometers. I think we will take maybe 5 hours. Actually, we'll be staying 2 days in Idukki. So we need to do a lunch. We plan to do the lunch and start from here because I'm not sure if we will be getting anything on the way. So let's hit the roads after lunch. So finally we're exiting Kodaikanal. So we booked a homestay for a couple of days in Idukki. If there are any good places on the way, we'll stop for some time. Otherwise, we'll directly go to homestay. And this Kodaikanal is a great place to see. But man, the traffic, the rush, it's unbearable. Like so much of traffic. So we did our third full tank of this trip. I think I'm getting an average of 28 to 30 somewhere. That's good because previously I used to get only, what do you say, maximum 26 is the max I used to get. This is okay. Night it is so cold, like it's around 10, I think the temperature is around 10 and 11 degrees. But morning it's becoming hot. Right now our ride starts to Idukki. So stay tuned for so amazing places, amazing views and great rides. Completed our lunch and the time is 3:30 right now and we are heading to Idukki to the homestay. It's 108 kilometers away. Maps is showing 2 hours 24 minutes. But it was so hot here. I'm being cooked under this jacket and somehow I'm feeling so tired today as well. This is the same highway. I think we came from Dindigal to Kodaikanal. So if you go right, it's to Dindigal. If you go straight, it is to Munnar, I guess. This highway is good, but it's a single lane highway. I don't think today much traffic would be there because today is Sunday. People will be back, not to the places, but we'll be going to the places because our ride is for 10 days. So saying again, today and tomorrow we'll be staying in Idukki. We'll be seeing all the Munnar and all. And then day after tomorrow we'll leave to Attirapalli. From Attirapalli again we'll come to Valparai, which is the 7th heaven, and we'll close the Western Ghats at Valparai and we'll leave to Bangalore from Valparai. A quick ride update. We do have around 77 kilometers, 77 kilometers for Idukki to our homestay. There's a small issue. It's not an issue, but the thing is, actually, we booked our homestay somewhere far from Idukki. So right now when I'm coming, I could see the board right to Munnar and straight to the homestay. So then I checked, it is in Kattapana or somewhere. From there, Wagaman is 1 hour, Idukki is also 1 hour, Munnar is actually 2 hours. Well, like, yeah, we're booked this time. This highway is also so good, dude. Like the roads were good, there was sun, but the trees, the greenery is good in this highway as well. So Kambam, Kumili, Sabarimala is just 183 kilometers from here. Kodaikanal is 164. I think we have entered Kerala, but I did not see any check post or any toll or something. I think this is Malayalam. Yeah, this is Malayalam. We entered Kerala, I guess. In state Kerala. So the second state in our trip. And still we do have around 50 kilometers to our place. And it's showing 1 hour 33 minutes. I think, which means we're gonna get some good Ghat sections in nearby. In next 20 kilometers, I guess we may get some good Ghat sections. Man, see the view there? Oh, good. No man, we need to stop here, enjoy these views at least a couple of minutes, and then we'll start again. Not much time, just a couple of minutes, we'll start again. A beautiful place. The sunset would be so good here, but no, we should go faster because we'll miss the Ghat sections. See the mountains there. We just took a big coffee break because the rider who is friend of us is feeling asleep. So we have to take a good coffee break, and now the time is 6:15 and we still have 1 hour 24 minutes to go, which is 45 kilometers, I guess. Even in the evenings we do have some good views. Light pink skies and birds flying, the mountains, the greenery, everything is good. See the view left side? That's the view from the left, and this is the view from the right. So basically this place is safeguarded by these mountains. Safeguarded in the sense it was held by the mountains like this. See the left. Oh, we should not go fast in these routes. Oh, we'll enjoy. See the trees and all. Big mountains. We'll enjoy all these views and go slowly. Because it's like a painting. The painting on the frame or on the wall, all the sky, the mountains. And this road should not end. So God's own country is showing its scenic beauties to us at the start itself. So our expectations will increase day by day. Tomorrow I think we'll get great views. But I do think tomorrow will be somewhere on those mountains. Now Idukki is 66 kilometers and Sabarimala is 143 kilometers. And this is our officially first Ghat. So our homestay is still 29 kilometers away, which is 59 minutes, which means this Ghat is going to be a tough one. Need to be careful, and let's go. We still have 24 kilometers, and the Ghat section is going on, and it would be a beautiful Ghat section if we come in the morning. So, chalo guys, we just completed our dinner here, and we are starting and to our homestay. It is still 11 kilometers ahead, and it is showing 20 minutes, 23 minutes. It's not that cold here. Right now I'm in Thekadi. I think this homestay is too secluded because from last 2 to 3 kilometers this is the same route, and still we do have 8 more kilometers in the same route. Now I could see some light. Man, I'm the only one going in this route, I think. I couldn't see even any other vehicles coming here. And where are these people gone? I think Utna Falls they'll not go, but I could not see them. I mean, the correct route or not? It's okay, let's see. Again 8 kilometers. This is like a never-ending road.